And that can feel quite suddenly isolating. And I think you're right, as an adult, then to think, how do I go and make a friend is really quite daunting as well, because, you can't just go and knock a door and ask someone if they want to go out on their bike, like we would have as a kid. So I completely resonate with that. And I've had times in my life where I've felt not as supported and not as good a network and things like that. I think from watching your journey with friendships, I think there was also an element of you having friends that you kind of made a lot of changes in your life quite rapidly, your career, getting married, becoming a father, all of those things that your friends weren't doing. So instantly there was this great big chasm between you of like, we've got nothing in common at this stage of my life. And it took you a while to find your tribe.